we have 5 food groups, and how to divide those 5 food groups to make sense out of them into your daily diet and get the maximum out of what we eat. So it's important to understand that the 5 food groups begin with fruits and vegetables. That's a very easy one. Everyone understands that. Grains, the cereals, all the the rice and the staples that we have are a part of the cereal group. And then we have our protein groups, which include plant protein like lentils. We have sprouts, we have chanas, we have beans, rajmas. All of those are a part of the pulse of the proteins. And then we have dairy. Dairy, of course, everyone understands, or includes milk and paneer and yogurt and other products made out of them. Then we have animal protein in the form of fish, chicken, and eggs. And then we lastly have the fats and the oils. The fats and the oils include all the nuts and the seeds and the good, the ghees and the butters and the coconut oils and the sesame oils, etc. So these are really the 5 groups. And how does one divide them is a 5-step, a process, which is very easy for anyone to remember. That I put them into the 5 Ps, which the first P is planning. You must plan your day with respect to food, what time you're going to eat, what time you're going to have your cereal, and then also, other aspects of your life, whether it's exercise or whether it's your supplements, or all of that needs to be a part of your plan. And there is no shortcut to that. And the second is your hunger time. Everybody has peak hunger times, and eat before a certain time. Say before sunset, eat most of your food, and your digestion weakens after that. So please keep the post-7 eating very light if you must. So very simple rules here, and address your hunger time. Make sure you have planned for that and you have the right things available for you. The 3 other P's that remain are proteins, protective foods, and pairing them with protective foods. Very simple again. Protein-rich foods. We have just spoken about the proteins. So make sure 2 meals are there with protein-rich foods. It could be animal protein, whatever you like, or it could be plant protein, or a combination. But too much of animal protein needs to be kept away. But yes, a combination works brilliantly. And pair them with vegetables and fruits. And lastly, dedicate 1 meal of the day to just protective foods. And what are these protective foods? Protective foods include vegetables, fruits, sprouts, probiotics, prebiotics, spices, and of course, not to mention hydration. We can't forget the need to have adequate amounts of water and fluids to keep the system going. So these really are the 5 Ps which can help you plan your diet better. And don't focus only on grains. Grains today need to be a part of the plate. They should not be the main component of your food, as it was done traditionally. So make sure that when you put your food down, you put your vegetables and fruits in maybe half to 3/4, and divide the rest of it in terms of grains and the proteins.